अच्युतानंद गोविंद नामोच्चारण भेषजात् नश्यन्ति सकला रोगाः सत्यं सत्यं वदाम्यहम् अंगनामंगनामंतरे माधवो माधवं माधवं चांतरे अंगना इत्तमा कल्पिते मंडले मध्यगः संजगो वेणुना देवकी नंदनः वंशी विभूषितकरा नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादरुण बिंबफलादरोष्ठात् पूर्णेन्दु सुंदर मुखादर विंदनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। श्री राम जय जय राम 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 सियावर रामचंद्र भगवान की जय। There is a Mahotsava going on in Gokulam. Bhagavan has come. All the Gwalas, Gopiyas are very happy dancing. They are enjoying Bhagavan's presence. Now, so far Nanda Baba had no issue, no children. He never gave tax to the Kamsa, the king. He thought all my property will go to him only after my death. So why should I pay the tax? But now son is born at a very late age also. So he decided to go to Mathura and pay the tax to the Kamsa. With a few Gopas, he organized a bullock cart and they reached Mathura. First they went to the king and Kansa was very happy that son is born to Nanda Baba and he blessed him also कि तुम्हारे बेटे का शत्रु जल्दी मरे. Let the enemy of your son die quickly. Kansa is giving blessing to Nanda Baba. Nanda Baba, having given the text to him, went to see Vasudev and Devaki. They both are relatives, cousins, but great friends also. How the friendship should be, you can learn from here. Nanda Baba is very happy that Vasudevji is released from the prison and also very sympathetic that all your children are killed, your daughter also was killed. So all this thing he was very unhappy, showing his sympathy. But you look at Vasudeva, he is happy about Nanda Baba. There was no possibility of son being born to your home. Now you are blessed with the son. You are very lucky. How is the cow? How is the crop? Everything is fine or not? They both are talking about each other. This is called friendship. Now, having met the Nand, this Vasudevji is considered to be Mahatma. He knows what is going to come. Therefore, he told immediately, Vasudeva Uvacha, Karo vai varshiko datto, ragye drashta vayam chavah, nehasteyam bahutitam, santyupatascha gokule. My brother, don't stay here more in Mathura. There is some calamity going on in the Gokulam. He did not say Utpata will happen. He said Santi Utpatahascha. Now only something wrong is happening there. You don't stay here more. Please go back home immediately. Listening this, Nanda Baba, he was worried. He got into the cart and started going. Nando pativacha sauraihi namrusheti vichintayan. Nanda Baba knows Vasudevji's words cannot be wrong. He was scared. My son is just born. What is the calamity there? Whenever you are in difficulty, Bhagavan is in our heart. Take the refuge of Bhagavan who abides in our heart. Harim Jagam Sharanam Utpatagam Sankitah. He surrendered to the Bhagavan who is in his heart. Kansena Prahita Ghora Putana Balaghatini Shishunchakara Nignanti Uragrama Vrajadishu. There was a great Rakshasi called as Putana. Putanapi Nayati iti Putana. One who kidnapped all pure souls also, that is called Putana. Kansena Prahita. It was sent by Kansa to kill all the children in the Gokulam. She was Bala Ghatini. She used to kill the children and she used to drink the blood of the children. She was very cruel. She changed the form of beautiful woman. Shishun Chakara Nignanti. Now Parikshita was scared. Just now my Bhagavan is born. What problem is there? Sukdev ji says, wherever Bhagavan Nama Kirtanam is not happening, then only this Putana can show her prabhava. Otherwise she cannot wait. Nayatra Shravanadini Rakshognani Swakarmaso Kurvanti Satpatam Vatturyada Dhanyascha Tatrahi. Therefore you should chant, especially you have children around, Krishna Govinda, Hare Murare, He Nathanara, Yadava Sudeva. That will protect the children. The beautiful form of Putana is there. She dressed up like a Lakshmi only. And she came, there is a big description, Balagraha Tatra Vichinvati Shishun. She came and entered the Nanda Bhavanam. Nanda Bhavanam, Yashoda and Rohini both are sitting with Krishna and Balrama, Nita. One is Nilambara, other is Pitambara. Both are sleeping. Now, moment the Sri Krishna saw Putana is coming to my house, he closed his eyes. Nimilite Kshanaha. Now there are some 27 meanings are given why Bhagwan closed his eyes. Avidya Putana. Putana is Avidya. In the presence of Bhagwan, Avidya cannot stay. If he opens his eyes, it will go away. And Bhagwan says, I don't want to see the face of this Rakshasi. Therefore he closed eyes. Bhagavan was closing eyes and thinking in Purva Janma, what good karma she has done that she is with me, she has come and see me also. And you know, especially Putana, whenever you are taking decoction, especially kashaya, they make in south of India, it is very, very sour and very, very bitter. You close your eyes and drink it. So Bhagwan closed his eyes. Before drinking the poison, he closed his eyes. Bhagwan says, "Oh Lord Shiva, run, please come, because I am not used to drink poison. Oh Shiva, you come and drink poison. I will drink the milk." Like that, so many meanings are given. Bhagwan closed his eyes and she went inside the home. Putana doesn't take even permission, just rushed inside the home and told these two ladies, Yashoda and Rohini, "What are you looking and staring? These boys are hungry. Don't you understand?" And she took immediately this, took the Sri Krishna in her lap and put her stanam, tasmin stanam, durjara virya ulbanam, tasmin stane durjaram viryam visham yasmin tas tanam Sri Krishnam ankam adaya tasmai shishave dado. She gave that great stanam, great breast, which was with full of very, very strong poison, and Bhagwan closed his eyes and hold the stanam of Putna with the both hand. You know one thing you should know, Bhagwan one touches something, he never give up. पकड़ता है, छोड़ता नहीं है. And Bhagwan started sucking the prana of Putna along with the poison. Therefore, pranay samam rosa samanvito pibata. Now Bhagwan started sucking the very breath of Putana. Putana never thought this boy is going to become a death for me. Therefore, she started chanting mantra, Muncha, Muncha, Alamiti Prabhashini. Enough, enough, don't. My poison will not get digested in your stomach. Please relieve me. Now Krishna will not live. Started all the children whose Atma was in the Putana's breath. He picked Bhagwan give Sayuja Mukti to all of them, and Putana revealed her original form. She was a big Rakshasi, came down and died, and she died, and so many trees were destroyed, she fell down. Now Yashoda came to know, oh my Krishna, and she see a big Putana on his breast, Krishna is hanging. Yashoda was not daring. Gopika ran and brought the Krishna. And then afterward, still they understand big Rakshasi has come. They took the Gobara, the cow dung and Gomutra, put everywhere Nama of Bhagavan, Indriyani, Rushi, Kesha, Prana, Narayano, they did Nyasa everywhere in the body of Krishna to protect Krishna. Listen, Krishna is protected by Krishna's own name only. Now afterward, Yashoda was still worried what is happening to my boy. That they gave Krishna in the lap of Yashoda. Yashoda, everything is okay. You see Krishna drinking your milk or not. Krishna started drinking. Yashoda was very happy. Now the Sukdevji said, Putana lokabalagni rakshasi rudirasana jigansayapi haraye tanam dattva pasadgatim. What happened to Putana? Her prana entered Krishna. Bhagavan gave her Sadgati, Matrugati. Bhagavan never looked at Putana as a devil. He looks as her mother. She want to feed me milk, and whoever feed me milk, I give them Matrugati. Can you imagine? Any Bhagwan in this world is so Krupalo, so compassionate. They give a great gati even to the Putana who tried to poison him. He gave the great gati. So Kaimuti Kanyayana, suppose like Anu and other people who are offering milk to Bhagwan, what gati will get it. Saetat putana moksham Krishna swarbhakam adbhutam Srunya shraddaya martyo Govinde labate ratim. Those who are listening, this great moksha of the Putana, the result of this listening is they get the love at the feet of Bhagwan Krishna. Now listen one thing Sri Krishna doesn't like. I have come to your home, please pay all your attention to me, don't look here and there. This is the only thing Bhagwan doesn't like. And what happened now? Kitty party, kitty party. Yashoda did a kitty party, brought all the gopis in her home. And under a cart, bullock cart, he tied the cloth and put Krishna under the cart and put all the thing, all the gorasa, all the sweets, all the food on the cart. Top all the food underneath Bhagwan, and Yashoda is meeting all the gopis and parties going on. Bhagwan woke up and he said, Mamma, Amma, where is my ma? And Bhagwan started throwing his legs up, and there was a one Asura sitting in that Shakata. It's called Shakata Sura. He just kicked the card, and such a heavy card went upside down. All the food ran down. All the gopis came running, and they saw Krishna underneath. They took it. They were surprised. What happened? Children said, "This small baby Krishna is even the 3 months old. He had done the job." Nobody could believe it. This is the very beautiful story of Sri Krishna. Now, one thing what happened? एकदा मर्भकादाय स्वांकम् आरोप्य भामिनी प्रस्तुनं पाययामास तनं स्नेह परिप्लुता. Yashoda has the greatest blessing to feed, breastfeeding to the Krishna. One day Krishna was drinking the milk and there was no satisfaction. Yashoda was worried. Krishna is drinking milk, and what will happen? Krishna is saying, Mother, you are the mother of the whole world. Vishwa Jagat Janni. Through me, whole world is drinking your milk. He opened his mouth. Those who are studying Gita, they have seen the Vishwarupa Darshana of Bhagavan Krishna. Here, Bhagavan showed the Vishwa Darshana in his mouth. She showed Antariksha, Space, Jyotir Mandala, Dishaye, Surya, Chandrama, Agni, Vayu, all the ocean, all the Dvipa. Now she was scared what I am doing in the small mouth of Sri Krishna. Krishna showed, you are feeding the whole world. I am the cosmos. Afterward, one day, now this Gargacharya lives in Mathura. Vasudeva, no, my son is born there. His Namakaranam, name ceremony has to be done. So Gargacharya is very, very big scholar. Gargacharya, Gargacharya Rajan Yaduna, Sumaha Tapaha. He was a great tapasvi. He came to Gokulam on his own by sending. He was asked to go there by Vasudevji. Look at the Nanda Baba. Moment he saw the Gargacharya got up, made him sit on a great Simhasanam and did all the Shodas Puja to him. He said, we Grahasthas, we don't get time to go to ashramam. Good, you came to our home and bless us. You are the one who are Tvam hi Brahma Vidam Shrestha Sanskaran Kartumarhasi Janmana Brahmano Guru. The Brahmin is by Janma only Guru. You please do the samskara, namakarana samskara. And now Gargacharya says, if I do name ceremony to your son, Kamsa may suspect that this is Vasudevji's son. This is Vasudevji's son. I am the Yadava's guru. Now, the message you should understand. When something is said, immediately Nanda Baba understood the message. He said, okay, Gargacharya, Alakshitosmin Rahasi Mameikarapi Gopraje. In the Goshthanam, where cows are there, in 33 lakhs devtas are in the body of the cow. All the devtas in the cow. So all the devtas are present. Goshthanam is the most auspicious and holy place. Therefore, just doing the Mangala Charanam, and I will do Nam Karan tomorrow morning. Now, these two mothers, Rohini and Yashoda, they want to taste the Swami. Gargacharya, whether he recognizes Krishna and Balrama without telling. So Rohini was having Krishna on her lap and Yashoda was having Balaramji on his lap. See, this is ladies were very clever. But Gargacharya is a Trikala Gnani. He knows everything. And he said, on the lap of Rohini, the Krishna, on the lap of Yashoda is the Balarama. He said, Ayam Hirohini Putraha Ramayan Surdo Gunaihi. He gives happiness to everybody. My teacher Swami Dayanji, wherever he was, there was always happiness around him. Always some different type of atmosphere he used to hold. We are in different realm. Similarly, the Balramji will bring happiness to everywhere. Akhyasyaste Rama iti. He will be called Rama. Baladikyad balam viduho. He has very big strength. Therefore, Balam and Rama, Balarama. Thereafterward, he looked at the boy, blue boy of Vrindavan on the lap of Rohini. Seeing this boy, he has to give Namakaranam. Seeing Krishna, Gargacharya forgot his own name also. अरे बा नामकरण क्या करेंगे? Such a beautiful boy, they call Brahma Sambandha. You are directly seeing the Brahman reality. He forgot everything. And he said, Bahuni Santi Namani Rupani Chasutasyate Gunakarma Anurupani Tanyaham Vedano Janaha. He has got millions of names. Hari ke हजार नाम, लाख नाम राम के, कृष्ण के करोड़ नाम. इस प्रकार से so many names are Vishnu Sahasranam, not enough. So many names are there. And he said his forms are also different. Sometimes he comes here Shuklam Baradaram Vishnu Shashi Varnam, sometimes fair looking, sometimes Krishna, sometimes yellow. He is changing color. That for Bahu Rupya hai. And he said, Anena Sarva Durgani Yuyam Yanjam Tarishyati Tarishyatha. You will cross all the difficulty if you surrender to Bal Mukunda. Please, all of you listen very well. This Bal Mukunda is not ordinary Laddu Gopal. Yesterday we had seen the Darshanam. I know that Bal Gopal, if you surrender, Tasman Nandatmajoyam ye Narayana Samo Gunahi. He has Guna, is like a Narayana only. Therefore, take care of this boy. Now Nanda Baba, nice dear. Are Baba, you are telling all good things about Krishna. Some graha to wrong place must be there. Yes, something wrong also is there. He will be doing stealing, चोरी करेगा, तुम्हारा बेटा झूठ बोलेगा. नंद बाबा से रियली मेरा बेटा झूठ बोलेगा? हाँ जी. और कहते हैं इनकी 16,000 स्त्री होगी. You will have 16,008 daughter-in-law. नंद बाबा को पसीना आ गया. हाय हाय, इतनी बहुएं आएगी तो मुझे तो मल्टीपल कॉम्प्लेक्स बनाना पड़ेगा, हाउसिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स. सब बहुओं को रखोगा कहा? तो चिंता मत करियो बाबा, he will provide everything to everybody. Nanda Baba, you need not worry, take care of this boy. And quietly Gargacharya went back to Mathura. Kalena Brajatal Pena Gokule Ramakeshavo Janubhyam Sahapanibhyam Ringamano Vijahratuho. Now Shri Krishna, you know, slowly Vakanya Khichna on his chest, the small leg, he started moving around in the house. He will go to the Vrindavan is not like our good house, cemented house. There was so much slush. Kichad itna hai. Bhagwan will go and like a sarisrupa, like a kechuda, he will be sleeping in that and quietly eating the mud also. And whole body, sometimes the red, sometimes the blue, sometimes the white slush is there. Yashoda and Rohini see the both son just now given shower. They are in the kitchen slush. They again lift them and feed them. They were enjoying so much. Slowly Sri Krishna started getting up and walking around. Now you understand, Krishna is there, mischief is there, Krishna is there, so much fun is there. One day Krishna saw the cow, the Vassala. She is licking the baby calf. He said, why she is not doing to me? He went near the cow, put the both, and cow's head was down, put both the hand in the neck of the cow and sat on the cow. Cow lifted the head and Krishna started shouting, big, big horn. Mother ran and brought him down. And then afterward, mother thought, Krishna has come, daughter-in-law will come. I had to give ornament. So he called this goldsmith. He was having fire and making gold, the ornament. At that time, he went here and there. Krishna immediately blew and so many sparks came out and mother came running to protect him. Now mother gave him fresh butter. I don't know in America how many people are eating fresh butter from buttermilk. Anybody there here? All from mall. Nobody knows the fresh butter. So fresh butter he took out and gave it to Krishna. Krishna started eating. A monkey came. Rama Avatar, he served him so much. So Bhagwan went and sat on the lap of the monkey, feeding him also. Mother went and put it down. And thereafterward, put Balram Krishna, so restless, so mischievous, put it in the room, closed the room, and thereafterward started working Yashoda. That time Sri Krishna showed badi badi talwar hai. What do you call talwar in English? Swords were there, and they took out sword from the scabbard and started ton. Big noise came. Nanda Baba ran and opened the door and removed that. And Sri Krishna went near the water and jumped into the water pond. Mama went again, salvaged him, and Krishna with the food, hot roti sitting outside. A peacock came. In Vrindavan, I've seen they eat from the hands of human being. The peacock came to Krishna, but Krishna gave him a roti. He bent down his head. Bhagwan put both the hand round the neck of the peacock, and peacock was so good. He took Krishna up, flew little bit around, and brought it again in the Nanda Bhavan. This is the way, and this is the way Krishna was so active as a child. One day Krishna went to steal the butter. चोरी करना है तो घर से शुरुआत की जाए. When you want to do stealing, start it from your own home only. Therefore he went inside the home. Fresh butter was there from the pot. You also know, mother gives the butter, you don't enjoy. But if you steal and eat, that is a special taste in that. Therefore, he went and took the butter and started eating. Whenever children become quiet, mothers are worried. Therefore, Yashoda immediately say, why I don't see Krishna? Krishna, kasi karosh kim pituhiti, shruttvai bhamatur vachasa sanka, नवनीत चोरैर विरतो विचस्तम ताम अब्रवीत. ये मेरे बाप कहाँ है कृष्ण? Yashoda is shouting for his name. Krishna is not answering. And Yashoda went inside. Krishna has the butter on his mouth. Krishna has butter in his hand. And Yashoda asked, what are you doing, Krishna? Kim karoshi? हे मेरे बाप तू क्या करता है? Krishna said, Mom, you have put this something in my hand. It was burning so much, the ornament is burning. So I don't have soothing cream. So I was using butter to soothen my hand. And also, Amma is asking, how did butter went to your face? He said, a fly came and sat on my face. I was removing the fly. It went there also. I have not eaten any butter. This is the way. This shows Krishna's buddhi is coming up, correct? When children tell a lie, don't scold them. It shows that buddhi is growing. One boy asked in the school, he was late. There se kyun aaya? He said there was so much rain and slush, kitchad. So even if you walk one step, you will slap back 2 feet. How to reach school? Therefore I was late. Then how did you reach the school? He said, I turned my back to the school and reached the school. This is the way children answer. It shows unki buddhi बढ़ रही है. Now all the gopis saw, they also want Krishna to come and do this stealing in their home, Vatsa, and they come and complain to Yashoda Maiya, your Krishna is coming and stealing butter in home. Yashoda said, what he is doing? Vatsan munchana kvachita samaye krosa sanjata hasah. He removes all the calf and calf drinks away the milk. Teyam swadu atyadadipaya kalpita steya yogaihi. One day two gopis decided that we'll get hold of the Krishna and report to Yashoda that he is stealing. Yashoda doesn't believe that Krishna can do stealing. And they say we will get him. Proof, with the proof we'll get him. Krishna went to the house of the gopi quietly. Gopi was hiding. Moment Krishna ate the butter, she went and got hold of his hand. क्यों बच्चों पकड़ा गए ना? Krishna said, क्या करोगी? What will you do? I will tie you down here and bring your mother and so you enter my home and stealing my butter. Krishna, see, never talk to Krishna. You will get into a problem. Krishna said, how will you tie me down? He said, with this rope and this pillar. He said, you know how many type of knots are there? कितनी प्रकार की गांठ है? I know one time, no Gopi, 5 types of knots are there. अपड़ी है, really? Okay. I will show you. Krishna says nicely, it's called Maya. I will show you how to put the knot. Gopika, ukaro, sit down. He took the both ends of Gopi, put the knots, rope around it, put the knot there, put around the pillar and put the knot, 5 type of knot. Now Gopi say, release me. He says, stupid, you're a mother of 5 children, you don't know even how to put knot. Sit down here. And he went away. The problem is mother-in-law came of Gopi and she was surprised. You are alone in the home. How got you tied down? Like that, I can tell story for all 1.5 hours. Now we don't have time for that, okay? We have to do today what? You remember? Bhagwan Vivaha also. Rukmini Vivaha has to happen. Therefore, so many beautiful stories are there. One day what happened? Children went and reported Yashoda that Krishna has eaten the mitti khai hai, Krishna mrudam bakshita niti, matre nyavedayan. They told the mother, he has eaten the mitti. Now mother was not, any time Yashoda is never angry with the Krishna. Today she got angry. How? That will spoil his health. He can become sick. So he came and got hold of his hand and uses the words for Krishna. You will not see this name in Vishnu Sahasranama. Such a beautiful name. Oh restless one. Oh restless one. Oh Chatore. You are the one who want to eat all the time. Like that she is telling. And hold his hand and say, did you eat the clay? And Krishna was so scared of Yashoda, looked up and said, first time Krishna talks in Bhagavatam, that also jhoot bolta hai. Naham bakshitavanamba sarve mitya visamshinah yadi satya girastarhi samakshvam pashyame mukam. All are telling wrong thing, Amma, lies. I have not taken any clay. Then, Mama, see my mouth if you want to see. I will open, you will see. Today, Yashoda is not afraid. Open your mouth, she said. And something big thing happened. Moment Krishna opened his mouth, he saw Dishaye, all the mountains in his mouth, all the continent, all the ocean, and the Vayu. She was Vishwa Darshanam. She was surprised. What is this I am saying? And she become devotee of Krishna. If you are Devta, I surrender to you. Please forgive me. Now Krishna said, if mother start worshipping me today onward, she will put me in the temple, and once a day she will give me little milk and close the door. Now I don't want to do that. She done. See, in Bhagavad Gita you are learning. Nashto moha smutir labdha. Bhagavan removed the moha and gave the knowledge. Here he did exactly ulta. He removed the knowledge and giving him moha whom? To Yashoda. Afterward, she become. This is the greatest sukham Yashoda had with the Sri Krishna. Afterward, one day what happened? Yashoda was early morning, get up, big pot, so much butter, so much yogurt. She was churning to get what? You understand? Fresh butter, standing, and with the silken cloth, ekada gruhada sisu, Yashoda Nanda Gehini. She had so many servants, but she will not take any help from anybody. Bhagavan seva swayam karna chahiye. When you are serving Bhagavan, pick up flower by yourself. Chandan also, you do it. Everything one should do it. That is called love. She was doing everything, and then Krishna got up in the morning. She is churning for the buttermilk, and Krishna came. Tam stanyakam asadya. Krishna used to get up every day morning. Yashoda will be there. Take him, give him a hug, giving face bath and everything, and then feed him. Today she was not there. He put his hand both the side. Oh, mom, where are you? Then he was very hungry. He wants milk. So he saw. He went there where Yashoda was churning. Hold the churning rod. Stop, ma. Enough you have done karma. Once I get you, you don't require any karma. And Krishna mounted the lap of Yashoda and started drinking the milk. Now Yashoda happily started feeding Krishna. Something happened. This milk which was kept on the fire for Krishna, they are called Padma Gandha Ka Dud. The milk had a very beautiful fragrance of lotus. That type of milk was there. That milk is a Chetana. He also alive. He sees Bhagwan is drinking Yashoda's milk, so he won't take me today. So he started dying in the front of Krishna, entering, overflowing, entering the fire. Yashoda saw that and gave up Krishna, ran then, and then brought out the milk down. Now Krishna got annoyed. I am drinking your milk and you have abandoned me. Therefore, kamat krodho vijayate. Krishna was as though angry. Therefore, he did what? He went inside the home. Big pot was there. दादी का जमाने का बड़ा बड़ा pot, big pot with milk, with you are not seen all that because you are staying in the city. Big cauldron of milk, yogurt there. Krishna went and broke all of them. Whole house was filled with milk. I was angry. Then he sat down on one of the ukhala mortar. Khanadi kya na Gujarati mein. He sat on there and started eating Hayyangavanam. Hayyangavanam is a old butter and feeding the monkeys. That time Yashoda saw, she was smiling. She came, I will teach you a lesson, dear boy. What you are doing, eating old butter? She came running and Krishna started running also to chase. There was there. Krishna is running and Yashoda is running after him. Both are going around in the house. All Gopika had a big drama. They say, Mama, he is the very fastest runner. He is an Olympic runner. You can't get him. Yashoda is a big age, heavy body. She was tired. Seeing the mother getting tired, Krishna allowed him to be caught by mother. Now mother started roaring at you, Krishna, holding his hand. What are you doing? I am going to beat you like that, she said. And Krishna was shedding tears. Oh mom, don't beat me. ये सौटी छोड़ दे, मुझे बहुत डर लगे. Please give up this stick. I am afraid of that. And mother saw it. बहुत डर गया, scared. So immediately throw the soti away. But today I am going to do one thing. You don't run away anywhere. I will tie you down to the mortar. Kukhal ke saath bandungi. Then I will bring a fresh roti and butter for you. Then Krishna was tied down to the mortar. And what type of rope, you know? The rope which they tie to the feet of the cow at the time of milking the calf are tied down to the leg of the mother cow. This rope she tied down Krishna and then she went to the work. Krishna allowed daddy to call it Damodara. He became a Damodara. One who has got Dama on his stomach. He was tied down to the mortar. Bhagwan allowed it to happen. Now Bhagwan, remember, I have to do one thing. Narad Baba has cursed these two Kubera's putra. They are in the form of the trees in the front of my home. I had to do Uddhara. I had to salvage them from that body. Therefore, Krishna, remember the story. Now Yashoda is in the kitchen. Krishna is tied down to the mortar, and there is a rope on his belly. He started dragging the mortar, went between the two trees. Amalarjuna, this they call the Arjuna tree, very straight going big trees were there, and in that who has come there, the Yamularjuna Uddhar karne ke liye, he went between the two trees, and that the mortar become turned around and got stuck into the tree, and then Bhagwan pulled it and both the trees came down and beautiful form came out of it, but nobody could hear the sound of falling tree because Krishna Maya, he wanted to do further Leela. Thereafterward came out of them two Gandharvas. They both Gandharvas were the Mani Griva, Nalakubara. They had done aparadha of Narada. They were naked with Apsara, taking shower and swimming in the Ganga. So Narada cursed him, may you become a tree in the Angana, in the front of the Nanda Baba's house. Krishna will salvage you. Now this job is done, and these two Yamula Arjuna become Devta. They came out and they worshipped the Krishna and said, Lord Krishna will remember this beautiful poem. We are free. You are tied down today, Bhagwan, for the first time. Jiva is always tied down to samsara and Bhagwan is free. Today Bhagwan is tied down and Jivas are free. What a great thing. Namo Namaha. They did afterward. They went away. And then Krishna, Nanda Baba came and released the Krishna. Krishna was tied down to the mortar. Krishna, everybody was worried what happened. And Nanda Baba slowly asked Krishna, who tie you down? And nicely Krishna says, in the years of Nanda Baba, Yashoda Maiya, okay, I will take you don't go to her, no daddy, I will not go to Mama, I will stay with you. Gopika asked, what milk will you drink? He said, I will drink the milk of cows and stay with Nanda Baba and sleep with Nanda Baba. Then suddenly Krishna saw Yashoda sitting and crying. He just jumped out of the hand of the Nanda Baba, went there and give a hug to Yashoda and started drinking her mouth. This was different stories are there. One day what happened? One day Bhagwan Krishna now slowly got up and started walking with the calf and going to the forest also. I'm going little fast, okay, don't worry. One sattva was there, Mahasattva. Big swan was sitting into the pond and Krishna and all this thought that was the Bakasura. This is called Mahasattva, wanted to swallow Krishna, wanted to eat the Krishna. Bhagwan went there, he tried to take the Krishna in his beak. Bhagwan opened the both beak and killed him down. Afterward, Bakasuruddara was there. And the Kansa, one Vassa, Asura came and in the form of the calf also, that was also killed by Sri Krishna. Like that, one after one, once like all the children with their chika means whatever food they want to carry, what you call carry food in the school. Like that they went to the forest with the cows to graze them. That time one big python came. It was like a mountain. It was Aghasu, nothing but Papa. With a big mouth open, he was sitting there. All the Gwalbalas do not know what is all about. They entered inside him, except Krishna, everybody entered. That Ajgara was waiting, Aghasura, to wait for Krishna to come in. Then Krishna said, all Gwalbalas, all my friends have entered, let me also enter. He entered and the Aghasura closed the mouth. Sri Krishna expanded his body and stopped his breathing. Therefore his breath came, stopped. He died and everybody came out. And Bhagwan's drashti was there. Everybody came to the life. This is a beautiful story. Now one thing happened. This Aghasura was killed today, and the killing of Aghasura story was told by Gwal Balaka after 1 year. Why? What happened? After killing the Aghasura, the python, everybody went on the bank of Yamuna Ji. And they all sat down and started eating. That is called as Vanabhojanam. Hasantam Hasayantaha. They were telling jokes. Bhagwan dinner is not like our dinner. He was eating, enjoying everybody's house food and laughing. And what he was eating? Yogurt rice. Can you imagine? In his left hand. And between the finger, he has put different type of pickles. And eating the food happily, Hasanti, Hasayanti, all thousands of children are sitting around him, enjoying this. Now what happened? When the Aghasura, the Papam, the scene was killed by Bhagwan, all the Mahotsava happened, And thereafter, the noise of Mahotsava went to Brahmaji. Brahmaji want to know where this great festive mood is there. Let me go and see. He came down and saw the story. The calves are all grazing. Krishna is eating with the children. That time Brahmaji came and saw for the first time Bhagwan does not follow any rule. Hasanti hasayanti. He eats and also give in the mouth of other people also. जूठा भी खा रहे हैं. ऐसा ठाकुर जी कहाँ मिलेगा? He was surprised. Is this Krishna Bhagwan or not? Let me taste. Brahmaji, when he comes to Vrindavan, he also want to steal only. वृंदावन की भूमि ऐसी है, वहां जाने पे चोरी करने का मन होता है. One day I went and something was stolen from my bag also. I complained to Akhandanji Maharaj that my things are stolen. He said, यहाँ का भगवान ही चोर है, तुम क्या करोगे? मथुराधिपति ही चोर है, तुम क्या करोगे? यहाँ तो सब चोरी है. So it was stolen again. Therefore, Brahmaji also he also stolen everything. All the Krishna went looking for the calf. That time all Gwalbala Brahmaji lifted and kidnapped them, put them in the one cave, make them unconscious. Came back Krishna looking for the cow, all the cowherd boy. He lifted all the calves also and make them disappear. Krishna was very surprised. This time ग्वाल नहीं है, ये बाजू बछड़े नहीं है, सब कहाँ गए? Where they have gone? भगवान कृष्णा did not take time. He understood. ये तो मेरे बेटे ब्रह्मा की करतूत है. Oh ब्रह्मा जी, you have done this thing. Okay. Imagine this is called Leela Bhagwan, Maya Bhagwan. Immediately Bhagwan became all the calf and all the Gwalbal. All the cowherd boys he became. Same form, same name, same color, same svabhava, everything he became. That is called real magical power. He became all that thing and went home. And Brahmaji went back to Brahmaloka. Bhagavan said, if he goes and doesn't come quickly, problem will be there. Sri Krishna took another form of Brahmaji, went to Brahmaloka and told his all attendant, one imposter Brahma is coming behind me. So if you come, give him prasada. Prasada means what? Take the stick and beat him black and blue. When Brahmaji went, real Brahmaji, he was beaten up by his own attendant. Krishna was inside and he came back to see. And by the time Brahmaji came, it was 1 year. Remember, this is a great Leela. You all should enjoy, those who are studying Vedanta. Bhagwan has become calf, Bhagwan has become Gwalbal, Bhagwan has become everything and gracing the calf all in the form of the Gwalbal. All the gopis got their children, they thought they are my children, but that was Krishna. All the gopis got the Krishna, all the cows got the calf as Krishna. Krishna was drinking the milk of all the cows. Krishna was drinking the milk of all the mothers. Krishna met everybody in the village. And after 1 year, Balramji got doubt because what happened? One day, all the cows saw from the mountain that baby calf, and they could not stop. They came running down from the mountain, and the Gopas were angry. Why they leave and run there? They followed, chased them and went down. Then so Krishna with the calf and cows, all the cows were there. And even Gopas forgot their anger and they started hugging the children and showing their love, who are nothing but Krishna. Now Balramji was surprised. When Bhagwan Krishna is around, how come people love each other more than Bhagwan? Then Bhagwan showed him in a nutshell. This is all because of Brahmaji. Now Brahmaji came back from the Brahmaloka. He was surprised. I have put all these calf and children in the cave. Who are this one new one? And then he was confused. ये सत्य है कि वो सत्य है? These are true or that is true. He was confused. And afterward, Bhagavan showed him another Leela. So many Brahmaji, so many Krishna. Brahmaji understood, I have made a big mistake. I have done aparadha, big omission to the Bhagavan Krishna, the Jagat Guru. Therefore, he surrendered to Bhagavan and said, please forgive me. There is a place called Vrindavan Chomuha. Now remember one thing you have to understand. If person with the forehead wants to do Dandavat Pranama, he has to roll around. He cannot do simple Ramana. So Bhagavan Brahmaji rolled down to Krishna, and then there is a beautiful stuti called Brahma Stuti in Bhagavatam. Is one of the best stuti I have taught there also. No midyate bravapuse tadajambaraya gunja vatansa paripachala sanmukhaya Vanyastraje Kavalavetra Venana Venu Lakshmi Sriye Mrudupade Pasupangajaya. This is the great cowherd boy, Sri Krishna, I surrender, who is nothing but worth of praising, Naumidye, who deserves the praise. I do namaskar to thee, who has a black body like a mega shama, and like a lightning is the pitambara to their Krishna, and he goes on and on. And Brahmaji said, may I become some truna, some grass in the Vrindavan, and I had done aparadha to the Gwalwal, I had done aparadha to the gopis, so please forgive me. Afterward, Brahmaji was forgiven by Bhagwan, and Bhagwan went with the children to the bank of Yamunaji. There was a Kaliyanag in the Yamunaji, 1,000-headed serpent was there, and because of his wish, Yamunaji was really, nobody can go in that water. So Bhagwan decided to destroy Kaliyanaga, and Bhagwan jumped and entered into the into the Yamuna Jalam, where Kunda, special pond was there. In there, Kaliyanaga used to say, and Bhagwan went there, kicked him. This is the way. Kaliyam Indriyanyahu Vishaya Tat Visham Sprutam. Our senses are only called Kaliyanaga. They are extrovert. They want to enjoy the outside world. This Kaliya, Bhagwan entered. I don't have time. And Kaliya Mardana Bhagwan did, 1,000-headed thing. He danced on the head of the hoods of Krishna. Therefore, Kaliyasya Panamadye Divyam Nrityam Karotitam Namami Devaki Putram Nrityarajam Namachyutam. He danced beautifully, and all the and Kaliya become unconscious with the kick of Bhagwan. All the poison went out. Then he surrendered to the Bhagwan, and Bhagwan said, please leave the Yamunaji. I'm going to do Ras Leela on the bank of Yamunaji. So it should be one. Then when night, again one thing happened. They all slept there, and there was the fire, and Bhagwan drank that fire and saved everybody. Therefore, this is a different story. And now one more thing is also there. There is a Venu Gitam. Now I'm telling you, all my dear brothers and sisters, I will come again. I like this arrangement. I can be in my room and in my same table and chair, same book. I can talk from here hours together. I have no problem. Only you should have time. So we all get together. I will talk about Venu Gitam. I will talk about Brahmar Gitam. I will talk about the Gopi Gitam. It takes one month to talk one Gitam. It is so much loaded. But today, Achaman, you drink little water like that. So therefore, gopis, when Krishna goes to the forest with the cows, their mind is with the Krishna. Now, Krishna is returning from Vrindavan, return to Vrindavan. Baraha Pidam Natavara Vapuhu. Bhagwan dresses him like a great dancer, like a great bridegroom boy. he get dressed up there really well and playing the flute, singing the glory of Krishna. Behind the cow, Shama Sundar, Murli Manohar, Nanda Nandan, धीरे धीरे मुस्कुराते हुए पाद विन्यास करते हुए वृंदावन में प्रवेश कर रहे हैं. प्राविशद गीत कीर्ति ही. Krishna is so handsome that gopis are all waiting to see one glimpse of Krishna in a day. That is the life they are living. And they said, Akshavatam, Akshavatam paramidam na param vidamaha sakya pasunanu vivesatayor vayasyaye. These eyes, you and I have got eyes. The only job of eyes is not to see the mithya samsara. Eyes, safalata of the eyes is there, is to see the beautiful form of Krishna. Therefore, their height is there. The river is blessed. She is serving Krishna. This flute is blessed. She is serving Krishna. These peacocks are great, blessed, because they are seeing the beautiful form of the Krishna. Like their gopi is telling, everybody in the Vrindavan are really blessed by they are observing. The birds also, they become quiet and constantly observe different lila of Krishna. And thereafterward, Chira Harana Prasanga is there. Gopikas, now all of you remember one mantra is there from, if somebody doesn't get married, doesn't get a good boy for marriage, they can chant this sloka to get a good boy, okay? This is the way. This is Dasamaskanda, 22 Adhyaya and verse number 4, okay? Please listen this mantra. If your daughter want to get a good boy, this is the best mantra we give them. Katyayani Mahamaye Mahayoginyadishwari Nanda Gopasutam Devi Patim Me Kurute Namaha. All the gopis were doing great vrata, chanting this, Oh Katyayani Devi, let Krishna be our husband. We want him to be our pati. Therefore, in the winter, they used to do this vrata, chanting together. They were going, and Krishna took their pariksha, great, took away all the cloth which they put on the tree and sat on the tree and made them come out and take their cloth, removing their lajja from their mind, and gave the cloth back to them and say, Gopika all surrender to him. He said, now I will meet you for those Ratri. You want to do Ras Leela with me. That Ratri, I will do the Rasa with you. Bhagwan promised them. One more thing happened when Krishna was outside Mathura. All Gwalbals were hungry. Then Krishna said, there are Brahmanas here doing big ritual in Mathura. Go and ask food from them. They will definitely give. But when Krishna went there, they did not say yes or no, kept quiet. They were all stupid. Then children came back, nothing given, we are hungry. Children, Bhagavan Krishna said, go to their wives of the Brahmins. They will give you food. Tell them Krishna has come, Balrama has come. They are my devotee. And then immediately it was reported. They went there. All the Brahmani, all the Yajna Patni were so happy to hear the name of Krishna. They pancha, all the 5 type of food they carried and went to Krishna. And beautiful sight of Krishna they had. They fed Krishna and they said, we are not going to go home. Krishna said, no, with my blessing, your husband will all accept you. Go back. And thereafter they went back and they become a great devotee. And afterward, once time happened, there was a big ritual happening in Vrindavan. That was they were worshipping Indra Bhagavan, who gives rain, and they were doing every year. Now Bhagavan said, don't worship Indra, worship the Govardhan. He gives food to us, he gives water to us, therefore the change. See, Indra became very proud. See, suppose you give every year some person some money. Afterward, they start demanding, why you are not given this year? Yeah, I'm giving you a good thing. Why do you demand now? So, Indra became like that. He became demanding. He became asura, and Bhagwan wanted to do abhimanam from there. Therefore, he said, "Do the puja of this Govardhana," and they did the great puja of Govardhana, mal puha, kheer, and Bhagwan took one form of Govardhana, actually started eating, and one form showing Gopika. See, Govardhan is eating. As Adri, Atti, Adri, Atti, one who is eat, that is called Adri. I can go on and for this all the Lila, Govardhan Lila. Afterward, Indra becomes so angry. He said, Savartaka rain, may you have a torrential rain. And can you see? This is Indra. He says, drown all the cows, drown all the Gwalbal, drown the whole village. This is the Asura he became. And Bhagavan saw, and everybody came to Bhagavan, Krishna, Krishna Mahabhago, please save us. And Bhagavan said, don't worry. He, he mounted on a small hillock and lifted a mountain, and in his one finger he kept the mountain, small little finger, and told everybody to come under the ditch. And everybody went. Now, my Swami Dayanand is asking, suppose you are asked by a 7-year-old holding a mountain and there is a ditch and ask you to go underneath, will you go? Americans, please tell me. If you are insured also, you will not go. I also will not go. With no trust, suppose it drops me, you are over, chutney ho jayega. Swami Dayanji said that shows the trust of all Gwalbals and Gopals. They have trust that Krishna will never drop the mountain. That is called Vrajavasi's greatness. That Vrajavasi, 7 days and 7 nights, Krishna was holding the mountain. He never slept, and they were all saying, though no food, nothing was required, Krishna's blessing was there. They remained, and Indra was surprised. Not a single person got drowned. They're all safe. Then he lost his pride. He came down and surrendered to Bhagavan. And then the cow from the that called Kamadhenu came, and she gave Abhishek to Krishna. And Indra also did Abhishek to Krishna. And now new name came. Gavam Indra is Govinda. Name, please repeat everybody word. Govinda, Govinda, Govinda. Therefore, he gave beautiful name Govindra. And now one day, there was a time when there was a Sharadarat, Sharada Purnima, Bhagavan Apitaratri, Sharadotpulla Mallikaha, Viksham Rantum Manaschakre, Yoga Maya Samashritaha. Bhagavan decided on the Sharad Purnima, and he played his flute and called each Gopi's name. And Gopi were in their home. Moment they heard the dhvani of the Bhagavan, Bansuri ka sur suna, apna naam suna, and whatever they were doing, they stopped there. They were feeding the husband, stopped it. Feeding the children, stopped it. Cleaning the house, stopped it. Whatever they're doing, and they gave up and ran. Each one ran to the forest and met Krishna also. And there is a very beautiful story about Krishna telling him, please go back. Though, why did you come in the forest in the midnight? And thereafterward, he accepted them. Where can we go? This is Gopiya, Sannyasini. They are Sannyasini, understand? They said, we have surrendered to you, Krishna. We have no husband and no children. You are our everything. And Bhagwan accepted them. And there is a very beautiful Rasa Leela. And Bhagavan started the Leela, Ras Leela, but in between something happened. Gopikas got the Ahankara. We are the best one because Krishna is with us. No other women is there. The Bhagavan disappeared suddenly. Antarhite. Bhagwan Antarhite Bhagavati Sahasai Vrajangana. He disappeared. Now gopis did not see Krishna and they could not handle the separation. They became one with the Krishna mentally and did all the lila of Sri Krishna. And afterward, there is a separation they could not handle. Therefore, there is a beautiful Gitam called Gopika Gitam in the just to invoke Krishna. Krishna is one big name. If you sing the name of Krishna, he will come to you. Just sing Krishna Govinda Hare Murare He Nath Narayana. Now Gopika sing Gopyuchu Jayati Te Dikam जन्मना व्रज श्रयत इंदिरा शश्वदत्रहि दयित दृश्यता दिक्षु कावकाः त्वयि धृता सव त्वान् विचिन्वते. ओ कृष्ण, after your birth, vrajam jayati adhikam jayati. Our life is you, prana is in you only. Please don't go away. Please come back. At the end of the Gopi Gitam, Bhagwan appeared before there. He has not gone anywhere. He was there only. He was just holding some Gopi's cloth and hiding there and listening there all the verses. Afterward he came. तासामाविर्भूतश्चौरिः स्मयमान अम्बुजः पीताम्बरधरस्रग्वी साक्षान्मन्मथ. The beautiful form of Krishna is he appeared and there is a beautiful Ras Lila between Gopi and Krishna. This is the real rasa of Bhagavata, to listen to this. But now we don't have time for that. So we go further and then say, Krishna was staying there and here Narada went and told Kamsa that your killer is already born in Vrindavan. The Nanda Baba children are the real Krishna, your killer, and Balramji. That girl who disappeared from your home was the daughter of Nanda Baba. There is a big scheme going to kill you. Get ready and kill Krishna. All that he said, just that Kansa get killed very quickly. Kansa sent Akrura to the Gokulam to bring the Krishna to the Mathura. Akrura goes in the chariot very happy to have the darshan of Krishna, but he doesn't want to bring them to Mathura. But there is an order, there is something. And with a great heart, he brought both the boys to the Mathura. And Krishna started going, but after coming to Mathura, he still walking in the street of Mathura. First the Dhobi, the washerman came, he beat him because he was mistreating them. His head went off. And then came the Mali, the flowerist. He offered all the flower to Krishna. Bhagwan Krishna blessed him with the Lakshmi. There came afterward a Darji, a tailor. He also blessed the tailor, and all the Dhobi's clothes they wore nicely, quickly. There afterward came a Kubja, a lady who was putting snow powder to the Kamsa. He made her beautiful, just made her beautiful, and she became very great lover of Krishna. Afterward, next day, there was a Kamsa had kept a Kubalaya, a big elephant, to kill Krishna. Krishna killed the elephant and took the very, what do you call that? Tusk of the elephant and entered, and Kubalaya appeared, and Mustika, both were killed by Balram Krishna. And the Kamsa was shouting, kill them, kill them. Sri Krishna climbed up the very big pedestal and pulled the mama down and jumped on him. And by this, he was so scared, without doing anything, Kamsa died. And Sri Krishna became the king of the, he gave the He became the whole city came to him, and Ugrasen was made a king. And then they went to the Sandipni Rishi. In no time, 56 days, they learned all the Vidya. And they came back, and thereafterward, doing the kingdom, people were very happy. Afterward, what happened? The Jarasandha attacked them 17 times, and Krishna destroyed them. Every time Jarasandha was sent back. 18 times with the Kala Yavana they came. This time Krishna vacated the Dwarika and went to vacated Mathura, and overnight created a beautiful Nagari in the Dwarika in the ocean, and transferred all the people from Mathura to this place. And thereafterward, and when Kala Jarasandh was following him, he went away to Dwarika. Dwarika he went and established himself. There was a big thing. Now what happened? The marriage for Krishna. Then there was the news came from Kundanpur. Kundanpur, Bishmak. Bishmak means ocean. Bishmak with ocean, and Bishmak ocean, the son, the daughter is Lakshmi. Our Lakshmi, the daughter of the Bishmak, the ocean, and her name was Rukmini. She was the most beautiful girl in the world. Lakshmi Narayan, Devaki Jai. She is the Mahalakshmi, Rukmini, the Mahalakshmi, and she sends a beautiful letter. If I had time, I would have spent 1 hour only reading a beautiful letter praising Krishna, and the letter, a confidential letter given by Rukmini to send it to Krishna in Dwarika. This Kundanpur is somewhere in Nagpur, and Dwarika is all the way in Gujarat. All the way the Brahmana traveled with this letter and reached the Krishna. Krishna understood, and immediately, because the Rukmini's brother Rukmi wanted to get her sister married to Shishupal, who is the cousin of Sri Krishna, but very wicked person. Rukmini doesn't want to get married to Shishupal. Bhishma also wanted her daughter to get married to Krishna, but Bhishma was so much pushing. At that time also this happened. Now what happened? Bhagavan Krishna got the Brahmana who walked all the way. He called him, did his Pada Puja, and said, "Oh Bhagavan Brahmana Devta, you have come all the way. What can I do for you? What is the good news you have brought?" He gave the letter. Krishna was melting, and Krishna also gave a letter that, "Oh Rukmini, in your memory, I don't get sleep in the night. I am missing you so much. I want to get married to you." Rukmini showed the way how to get her. He said, before marriage, there is the Bhavani, Parvati Puja is there. I will be in a vrata keeping mauna. I will go with all the ladies, all the dasis there, and Brahmani. Then after finishing the puja, when I come back, you please come and quietly take me, apaharanam karo. That time haranam you do it, and I will come with you. This was all the plans she showed. Bhagavan Krishna entered. When Brahmana told me, without taking Balramji, without taking anybody, in the overnight, sitting in the chariot, Bhagavan and Brahmin, Kundanpur river, Kundanpur Nagri they went. Now king was so happy to receive Krishna. The Bishmak was very happy, gave a big reception, and everybody thought he has come to attend the marriage. Nobody knew the real plan. Next day what happened? When the Rukmini went for Rukmini got the message, he was also so worried. You can read in the Bhagavatam, when Brahmana did not return, Rukmini said, what will happen tomorrow is the marriage, and the message came, Brahmana has come back, Krishna has come back. Now Rukmini was delighted, and she went slowly. Now in Bhagavatam it is said, Sakshat Jagat Janni Jagadamba Ashtaishwarya Devi Lakshmi, when she decorates for marriage and goes with the vrata, the king, seeing the beauty of Lakshmi, they fell down from the elephant and the horse. She was so charming, so beautiful. Lakshmi went there, did puja, keeping maunam, and while returning, she was looking for Krishna there, and Krishna was standing with all other king in his beautiful chariot, and Krishna saw Rukmini. Rukmini saw Krishna and put the hand out. Krishna hold the hand. Hasta milap ho gaya. They took the hand and he climbed, mounted the head. But Rukmi was following Krishna. I will get my sister back. I will kill the Krishna. Krishna on the way had a big fight with the Rukmi and caught him and tied him down. He was about to kill him. That time Balramji came back and said, brother-in-law should not be killed, should not be mistreated. That was the mistake of Balramji. He protected the Rukmi. Later on, Balramji himself has to kill this Rukmi. So when whatever Bhagwan does, never interfere in the way of Bhagwan. Now Bhagwan with the Rukmini, and Rukmini was very unhappy. My brother was mistreated, whatever. My brother never went. He said, I will not come back unless I destroy Krishna. He stayed there only, Bhojapuri Nagri. He stayed there. And later on we see in the story, he was killed. Now Krishna went and blew the corn in the Dwarika. Everybody in Dwarika knew Krishna has come. And this time with the Rukmini, there was a big festival in where? In Dwarika, Krishna's marriage was organized. And with the Brahmana Viva, Vaidika way, Krishna again got married to Rukmini, Krishna Chandra, Bhagavan ki jai, Dwarika Nath ki jai. So today we in India do big way Rukmini Vivaha, actual Vivaha do, and so many gifts are given, sari, ornament, everything is given. Are you listening, Hari? You have to give like a daughter-in-law, Rukmini. You have to give everything, alankara and sari to her, everything, Dahej. This is the way. I'm very happy. Now there is a time for Aarti. I'm following strict timing. Tomorrow we'll see Ekadasa Skanda, which is nothing but Vedanta. Beautiful Skanda, and we'll finish tomorrow Bhagavatam. And other announcement is coming. See, I'm talking once a week Bhagavat to Syracuse people. If you want to join that, we can get the information from Hari. They have got, I'm also talking, slowly I'm talking. Vidyul will give you all information. Please listen to that also. And anything else, Suryaji? I must thank Suryaji and Garyji, Hariji, everybody who helped me to do this program. I'm just relaxed and sitting here and talking. They did everything for me. That is why this beautiful program is possible. And Bhagwan grace is there. Dwarika, Dwarika, Deshaki, Jai, Rukmani Vallabha, Sri Krishna Narayan Bhagavan ki, Jai, Krishna Chandra Bhagavan ki, Jai. Please join the Aarti. Good, Gary.
प्रणाम स्वामी जी.
Pranam. Who is that?
दिलीप केडिया.
दिलीप भाई, ठीक है.
हाँ.
Okay. Vande Gopalam. Start the Aarti. Please, everybody watch the Aarti. Anu is doing with the Krishna, and today the Balram Krishna, Rukmini Krishna. Vande Gopalam, Prabhu Vande Gopalam, Rugamata Shobita Balam, Rugamata Shobita Balam, Guna Kallolam, Jayade Vajayade. Nirgunata Gunakara Samprita Bhupara Prabhu Samprita Bhupara Muraharananda Kumara Muraharananda Sobhita Bala Karuna Kallo Lam Jayade Jayade Karpura Gauram शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमो नारायणी नमो कृष्ण चंद्र भगवान की वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की नंदनंदन की जय।